So we are discussing advanced PHP and its properties and actually what it does. Today we're going to discuss about Destructor. Last few days we have discussed about class, objects and class properties, methods, and I'm not going to repeat these things again. You can check in my previous video, and better if you can save the playlist so that you can get all the videos step by step. So I have created this index.php and now the output is this. So here basically we have created a constructor and we have two properties, that is name and course, and we have created two objects, and through the constructor we are passing the value, that is name and course, and we are setting this value using constructor, and we are displaying these records through details. So that's the reason we are getting the output, that is object and name, object codes and object details. So basically this is coming from name, codes and the function. With the function we are printing those things. For now I am deleting one thing, so we don't need to understand destructor. So last day we discussed about constructor. So constructor is a special type of function. When you create any object, it is calling automatically. The same like destructor is a special type function. So to create a destructor function, we need to write, suppose I am using the public and function, and same like constructor we need to write double underscore and destruct. Okay, so in this way we can define any destructor. So when we create any object of the student class, constructor will automatically call, and after that these are executing as per our direction, and at the end when all the methods and properties whatever we are going to create or set we can do, and at the last the destructor function also automatically call. That means we don't need to call the destructor function. So just if you write here echo and here write suppose goodbye, okay, and write here beer to see in the new line, and just refresh this, we can see the output. So just refresh. So here we can see the goodbye, but here in the code we never call this destruct function manually. Okay, so this is calling automatically after the execution of all the things, right? And same like other methods, inside the destruct also we can use the class property. Okay, so if we want to print, suppose I want to print echo this name, sorry, that will be the dollar, and write inside the inverted comma, so here, and just write this name is a student. Okay, and after that beer tag to print a new line. So if we write these things we can see the output from this destruct function. So just refresh this page. So John is a student, that means the John is a class properties. So basically we can access the class property inside the destruct function. So this is a special type function. So basically we are using destructor for any message. Suppose we are executing our codes or anything, and after the finish we can write a statement, that is the success or anything, means whatever we want to see at the last of the program we can write inside the destruct method. So if you have any queries about this special kind of functions, you can comment in a below comment section, and next day we'll going to show you access modifier. So basically in this case we are all time using the public. So basically this is the access modifier. We have another type of access modifier, that is protected private. We need to learn about these things, why we will use and how to use. Basically here I am using the public. That's the reason when you're creating any objects, and we can access these public properties and methods from outside of the class. So that's the reason here I'm using the public. So if you want to protect your data, or if you want to limited your access of your data or your functions, then how you can do this? So in a simple way we can do this using access modifier. So that will be going to be interesting things. So next day we will discuss on this topic. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Have a good day. Bye.